You access the program by going to fcpomdis.com/crm/index.php. You'd enter in your password and user, which I emailed to you guys a little bit earlier. Go hit login, and you can see that we have certain things we can do. Probably one of the first things you want to do is go to My Account and change your password, then submit, and your password will be changed. Under here is where we have people just in general, so you can search by a particular name, or there'll be a list of names that'll come up. You can put in their address, city, state, blah blah blah, some notes about how they interacted with people and what they can do if it's not covered in this. And then finally you can put in their membership dates as well as a payment. Then you just hit submit and it's good to go. This is for like members and non-members, or anybody or anything like other entities that we might want to know about. So for example, we might have Etsy theater supplies for the lighting stuff. Just have their address information, maybe their phone number, and some notes in here why they are interesting, which is the lighting board. So if we go to a new person, we can actually do that. I don't know what their address is, nor their phone. So I'll say needs some additional information, and it'll be for lighting. And since they're not a member, we'll just leave that blank. We'll skip that in there, and you can see that they're not there. If we go to search person, we can see that they've been entered. The activities are those things that show up that a person could be doing. So we've got 50-50 actor, box office, building and grounds, choreographer, concessions, etc. I think I pretty much covered the gambit, especially ushers, since Melanie is always looking for ushers. And if you need to insert another activity, just go to new activity, type in what you want, and hit submit. The reports is interesting because this will identify people by what they are willing to do. So I've got Scott, Etsy, and Mary are willing to work lighting. So this is a way for us to identify people who we can or could contact about lighting. Hence, they don't need to be members, but they are of interest to the theater. If we go to by membership, we can say by 1/1, well, let's make it 6/1/2018. So those people whose memberships will expire. So here we've got one membership, they're good through 12/31/2018. So let's do 5/1/2018. Now we have two, because this one is good through 6/1/2018. Tasks. This could be something useful for the admin of the theater. They can just type in things, remember its importance. This is a numeric value, and a little blurb about it is. And then you just identify who is responsible for that task. So I'll say like this is a test, It's a priority 1, and it's something to test on. And we'll say it's open, so we can have those 3 statuses. And we're going to assign it to Carla. And now Carla has a task with a title of test, and if we go in there and edit it, we can see it's something to test on. You can hit the back button. So that's acceptable. Let's see, this pretty much identifies what kind of stuff I've been doing to the software. And like I said, in the upcoming theater changes, we'll have advertisers. That way we can just dial a number or go know who we can go visit about an ad. And plus, people can also put in potential advertisers too. And that pretty much